Well, hello again, everyone. It's me, Chanel here, and today I have a decorate with me in another bathroom. Hello. It's me, Chanel here, and today I have a bathroom makeover for you. Well, it's never been made up for us to make over, but never been made up for us to make over. So now we're just going in and we're going to call it just a decorate with me. So thank you for joining me on today. And this is, again, as you noticed, I'm back in my daughter's office. So this is the spot where it's going to take place, and the bathroom is right across from me. So I'm going to take you in there now, and we're going to look around before I start any of the decor. Now, there is not going to be a lot of items that will be added to the space. As you know, it only takes a few simple items, especially inside a bathroom. It's a full-size bathroom, but the water closet is on the separate side of the room, and it has its own door. We'll be going into the main portion of the bathroom area, and again, just adding probably about 4 or 5 simple little items, a couple of little cute little pieces of decor, and that's not what I wanted to say. We're just going to add a few simple items, as I stated before. And so let's go right into the bathroom. I like to raise up my shower curtain all the way up to at least close to ceiling height, depending on the height of the ceiling in the space. Actual space, the ceiling is very, very high. I believe it's about 16 feet. No, it's not 16 feet. Forgive me for that. That's like 2 stories, right? No, this ceiling is probably about 12 feet in the space. Maybe 10. Oh. Well, she just informed me that ceiling in there is actually 8 feet, and she is so correct. So, but yeah, so in that space, we normally take the curtains.
No, I'm saying these are 12.
Oh, okay. Yes, they are a different height. She is correct, and I'll show you that while I'm in the room. Anywho, well, you've been in here, and I'll leave a link down below in the description area so you can see the makeover of this actual office space and the DIY that I did on the cabinet that is over here, or rather it's called a secretary space. Normally I would raise the curtain all the way up to the ceiling height because you want to get that dramatic effect from the curtains and not have them low, because they tend to look like it's cut off, and it makes the room look just that, cut off. It just gives a more dramatic effect, and it also gives a more feeling of even more space, just like it would if you had them on your curtains on your, that didn't make sense, like as if you would when you normally hang your curtains, or when I hang curtains, I normally raise them up close to ceiling height, and again, depends upon the height of the ceiling in the space. So in here, we are going to raise up the curtains, which is what we're going to use for a shower curtain. And sometimes I actually make shower curtains for the bathroom, but in this case, we're going to pick up some shower curtains. In this case, I'm going to pick, well, you get the point. So let's just get right into the decorating. Here we are with another art project. My daughter has a picture and she wants it framed up, and so I said, well, I already have some frames, and these were some pictures that were already in it we had from previous years, previous home, whatnot. But anyway, some mallards. I actually owned some mallards when I lived in my previous home, and they were named Bo and Ziggy. I don't know if I ever told y'all about my ducks. Those were my pets. My 2 ducks. They were mallards, and they were very pretty, and these were very reminiscent of how they looked. But one day, I believe it was Ziggy who died, and Bo was lonely, so we went and set Bo free in a local pond that had other mallards and ducks. So as you can see, I got it all taken apart. The glass and everything is out of it. So now I'm just going to take it outside and go paint it. And here again is just a quick overview of the entire room. You know, it is a little hard to film inside of a bathroom if it's not a very wide space, and this one is quite long and not too narrow, but narrow, so it's a little hard to film the entire space in one shot. And then over here, we have this wall. That's gonna be a picture. And that's the water closet. And here again, as I've spoken before, I'm just going to add a few simple items, a little green, a vase with a face on it. Not sure if we're going to actually turn this around. You don't want too many, well, we don't want too many faces in the room. And some towels, some hand towels, just to add the pretty factor as well. And a tray to house maybe your lotion dispenser or your soap dispenser in the room. Here is the set of curtains that I spoke of earlier that were purchased online. And she loves color, so we're adding a pop of color here in the bathroom, same as we did before in her office space. And again, I will leave that link down below. So as you can see here, I got the curtains up, or rather the shower curtain front. And you see here on the back where the rod is exposed, these are the little things you want to take care of. Cover that up. So she's back there and she's just going to pull that over it. There you go. Now gather it up. It's free labor. I didn't want to get back up there. Now slide those all the way over to gather it. There you go. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Oh, no. And repeat on the other side the same way. Covering your rod completely, because you don't want it exposed. As you can see, this is the actual entrance into the water closet. It's a pretty nice, spacious little area. It has a cabinet in it as well. And we're going to add a couple of pictures and a few things inside the cabinet, such as your necessities that you may need instead of going to your other closet, your utility closet, to get more items. And then the rest of the video is just me adding the other decor items in the spaces. Hope you enjoy the video, get inspired, motivated, and perhaps move to get decorating a space for yourself or maybe for someone else. This has been Chanel, and have a great day. See you in the next one.